Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another live trade recap. Today it is March March 5th. All right, 10:09 a.m. So literally an hour after me trading, my mouth hurts a lot because my wisdom tooth. So bear with me. But yeah, gonna go straight into it. Like yesterday's recap, I'm gonna chart it on Top Step, and then I'm gonna show my execution on Trade C like at the end of the video. Okay, so all right, so let's start off. Today was good, but unfortunately we did take a loss. Okay, so yeah, we did take a loss today. I mean, shit happens, right? Bound to happen, but we had the right idea in mind, right? Uh, I'm overall pretty happy of how I performed today, right? So starting in a higher time frame, we started with a higher time frame liquidity sweep. Oh, actually, this was a turtle soup. Here it's yes, turtle soup higher time frame on a 15 minute. And with that being said, unless we went lower into like yesterday's lows and stuff, I was kind of bullish. I'm not gonna lie, especially after this pre-market candle, right? Because right here, right here, like as soon as market opened, we were just ripping higher, right? So we ended up hitting all the draws on liquidity that I had in mind today, and but that was after my trade. Okay, so after market open, right, I was still very bullish, right, because ES was not lacking behind. We were actually very in sync today, you know. So market open right here, right, and then, yeah, ES was following perfectly, like they literally very well. So I mean, bullish structure was there, right? So of course I'm looking for a retrace, right? Pretty simple stuff. We do have the previously manipulated high here, right? It's gonna be PXH, right? We've talked about PXH. Hold up, and then also right here we have PXH2, right? So PXH. All right, wait. So all right, I'm back. So as I was saying though, yeah, we have previous manipulated highs right here too, right? So this is like a good area to retrace. So I mean, dude, this is an A+ setup for me, right? We ran higher, we swept liquidity on a higher time frame, right? Swept this liquidity right here, higher time frame high, right? Swept this liquidity right here. Following that, we came lower, tapped into PXH as a rebalance, right? And then displaced higher, right? Literally, I feel like one of the things I could have, like, kind of like avoided. I don't like how this closed. I should have been more patient. Not gonna lie, for more of a reaction. Like, I could have entered here because this closure, the wick right here, I like that more than I like this. Because look at that. How many, like, what's the range on that? One sec, let me pull out the range. Where's the range thing? Sorry. It's forecast. It's forecast. Alright, whatever. So this was I don't even know. Alright, not that one. Okay, so yeah, here. So the range, I'm gonna have to edit this video because I did just stutter for a minute. So it was 20 points, right? Compared to over here, right? This was like what, 15 points, 10 points? Yeah, this was 10 points. So this would have been a far better closure, right? So instead of me entering the long right here, I mean, considering the rejection we had off of this wick, I should have probably been more patient. Shouldn't have entered that. Should have waited. And I mean, my target was all the way up here, but I mean, if I went for a 1-to-1, I would have probably hit. Yeah, I would have hit a 1-to-1, but I mean, I was going for the obvious strong liquidity, right? With that being said, though, I do think today was good, right? I mean, I'm taking something from it. It's a learning lesson, regardless, right? I mean, yeah, we've been great this all week. This is the first loss this week, so we've been on a streak. With that being said, obviously the most optimal entry would have been something around here, right? Something around here, because also my friend did tell me that we ended up hitting the point 0.5. Is my mic on? Yeah. My boy did tell me that we ended up hitting the point 0.5 of the range, right? So considering that, I should have probably been more open to the idea that we might come a little bit lower, right? 0.5 plus PXH plus displacement. It's like literally it can't get better than that, right? So basically, yeah, that's literally today's trade. Pretty simple stuff. Just continuation higher. And that it was just that one trade and done, and then rebalance at the PXH. Unfortunate loss, but I mean, we'll take it into tomorrow. That, I mean, like a wick like these, I should probably, like, be more cautious of. Like, I want to have a smooth closure like this, like, or a smooth closure like this candle right here. Like, let's say you didn't originally you didn't originally get into like this right here. Could probably enter it off of this. Stops right here. What, do we have any SMT? Let me check. Yeah, so we have a micro SMT, which is going to be between these two, right? And then you could have just targeted a 1-to-1 here, or the next high, which the next high would have been right here. Literally banged out perfectly. So no matter what, today there was good setups. I just unfortunately should have been a little bit more patient to see, like, you know, some more confirmation. Like, I mean, we were bullish no matter what. I'm glad that my narrative was correct. But with that being said, yeah, I think overall good trade, and just something to carry on to tomorrow. So if you did take something like this, good looks. Just don't worry. And then yeah, since I'm sticking to my one trade a day, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna plug Alpha Features at the top. Use code CBAS, and then tap into my TikTok lives. I'm streaming there like daily now. It's kind of sick. And then also some codes are coming soon, so stay tuned. Please drop a sub if you fucked with the video. I make these like almost daily, and I show all my results and like all my like actual trades and executions and stuff, right? And then now I'm gonna head on over and I'm gonna you know, attach the clip of like the live trading. So I'll see y'all boys. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.